Hey, if you are a real estate agent and you are not blogging yet because it takes time, it's effort, or you got to pay someone to do it, this might be helpful for you. This right here is an AI tool. I just started using it. It's called Balzac AI. Check it out, try it out. Basically, what it does is it uses AI and creates SEO optimized blog posts for your website tailored to any real estate topic that you want. All you have to do is copy and paste your website in there. It will automatically come up with suggestions on great blog topics. And then you will basically pay a subscription depending on what pricing model you want. It will start putting all this content out for you on autopilot. Not only does it write these blog posts, which are about 3,500 words or longer and very SEO optimized, but also it's going to create the AI imagery behind it within the blog post as well. So you don't have to do anything. You can even connect this directly to your website and it does all the work for you. It automatically posts the blogs. You can see here, I just actually created one just 5 minutes ago. Let's see how it came out. This is now no excuses to create SEO rich content on whatever keywords you want to tap into with your blog. So you can see here, it just made these within the last 10 minutes. I chose these topics. I work in the title insurance space, but I share a lot of real estate tips, tools, and resources and marketing ideas for real estate agents. So not bad. Look at this. Okay. Rolling through here. I clearly have not read this yet, but man, this thing is deep. So, oh my goodness, what a huge leg up on something to quickly lean into. So this is Balzac AI. When you sign up for it, you can see here, you've got a dashboard. You're going to choose your pricing option. It's then going to give you what's called briefings, which is where it's going to make suggestions. If you don't like any of the suggestions, you can type them in up here. Once you've chosen the suggestions that you like, you choose down here the options that are in the pipeline. So I can click on this one, real estate agent training for agents and lenders in Colorado. I then click start now. It's now going to start to write out this blog post. And then within about a minute from now, it's going to automatically post that to my blog and I'm done. I can also schedule these out so it doesn't go out automatically and you can go crazy on these. So most important thing though is going to be pricing. All right. So as of the recording of this video, it was, let's see, I paid for the beginner's version, which of course you're not going to get the best bang for your buck compared to down here, right? I got $40 for 5 articles compared to if I went down here, I did $180 per month for 75 articles. That's about $2.40 per SEO rich blog post. Okay, so not the cheapest thing out there. Of course, there's other hacks where you can lean into ChatGPT and AI and copy and paste these into your blog automatically or hire a virtual assistant to do it for you. But let's be honest, most of us are not going to do that. So this is going to be the solution. This is Balzac, again, Balzac. You can find it here. Balzac AI, and the website is called hirebalzac.ai. So check it out, recommend it, get started. Super easy to do. I just set this thing up and it's off and running, and I'm going to keep playing around with this and create some blog posts. Reach out to me if you have any questions. My website is milehighTitleGuy.com. If you're in the real estate space, title insurance space, follow along. I send out weekly emails sharing real estate tools, resources, marketing ideas, as well as invites to upcoming classes and events. Would love to see you there. I'm Jerad Larkin, Chicago Title. See you in the next video.